What is going on, guys? Welcome to another tutorial. In this video we will be installing the official Windows 11 Insider Preview. So step 1, go to insider.windows.com/register. I've put the link in the video description and hit sign in. So you will need to sign in and you will need to have a Microsoft account to proceed. So click sign in, and once you are signed in, you pretty much go to the first tab where you can register into the Windows Insider program. You can see that I am already registered, but yes, if you have to register here and then go start flighting. Now from this point on, it all happens on your laptop or your computer. So
head over to your laptop, go settings, go update and security, tap Windows Insider program and get started. So it'll ask you to link an account. Make sure you're signed in on the laptop itself. So go link an account, sign in, go continue. Make sure you selected the dev channel, go confirm and confirm again. So the next thing you want to do is give your laptop or a computer a restart. So let's just do that. Once you're restarted, go back to settings, update and security, and click on Windows Update. Now at this point, check for new update. You should already be receiving or downloading the Windows 11 Insider Preview. As you can see, it's already downloading. So Windows 11 is all installed. That's our new Windows 11 Insider Preview right there. The new settings screen, the start menu, there's a little update there. But yeah, you can see that I am running the official build of Windows 11 Pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Cheers.